to show this at the missionary conference. Next time I will bring my waders though. Well, there's Steve and whoops.
I'm sitting down here.
And Larry.
You might as well face the. You're gonna get your feet wet, Steve. Now you're sailing.
It's pretty shallow there, though. Well, you're good.
I think is that Al Linder?
Yep, Lindford Redneck Christian Fellowship.
There you go.
Day on the river.
Oh, this is great.
Does that thing leak?
Yes?
Does it leak?
Not a drop.
Oh.
I bet it does. I bet the floor's wet.
Say hi to your wife here, Larry. Wave to your wife.
These chairs, these are custom chairs.
Custom pedestals chairs.
I don't get that. The front end of that boat's way deep.
Hang on a minute, I gotta get my shoes. See these chairs, they match the color of the boat on the inside.
On the inside.
Yeah, we're color coordinated. My hat matches the chair.
Ooh. Back up. There we go. Okay, don't.
There it is. That's Larry's first Big Fork River bass. It's 2.5 pounds. A nice one.
Hi, honey.
Caught that on a big old rapala.
You gotta get out here, honey.
And right over there is two of the most jealous fishermen I've ever seen.
Look up here, Larry.
What do they look like? Oh yeah, that's good.
This is gonna be on my missionary
Yeah.
presentation.
Well, that's what Barry did. We came down here and he did his presentation on the river. Okay, I'm gonna throw him back.
Yeah. That's a nice one, Steve. Yeah. Did Larry get one?
No, we worked together on that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Team effort.
Yeah.
That was a team effort.
I wish I would have had that on when I seen them other two bass. You know when they were following that red one?
Yep.
That red and white I had on?
There, the pastor, he got one. He's got the biggest one of the day. Say something.
Say something. This is the biggest one of the day so far. It's not. I don't know if it's bigger than Larry's, but it's close. It's close.
What's that?
I wouldn't put him back because.
Okay.
Well, if you don't catch one out of there, guys, I'm telling you, this is a spot here. You got to catch a fish. There's got to be. Just up here a little bit further, there's got to be a deeper hole on this side.
Got a fish? Have a look over here, Larry.
Fish?
So Steve was just being a depth finder. He was checking depth.
I gotta say, that's the first time I ever fell out of a boat.
Is that right?
Yep.
Oh wow!
Well, if you do enough, you'll get good at it.
But I did it twice though.
I tell you, you just not. Yeah, that's right. You did tip over twice in one trip. So. Well, falling out twice.
Yeah, I think you got him.
Yeah, I laid him on the chair there. I'm glad I did right now. Wow.
Where's his?
Down.
What's that?
Where's Steve's?
Steve's busy right now.
Oh,
He's been taking fish off his hook all day long.
is he dealing with pride?
No, he's not. Steve is a professional fisherman from way down south.
Oh, okay.
And he retired and he moved up here a few years back.
Okay.
And yeah, quite a few fishing teams have been after him, but he's kind of hiding out on the river here, the Big Fork River.
Oh.
And no, he just you know.
You mean the rat root?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And on the rat root also, and
Yeah.
he's,
Don't say Big Fork because we want.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're not on the Big Fork. We're
No.
on the Rat
Yeah.
River right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
in the Little Fork.
Yeah, I'll have that deleted.
But yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Nice.
That was a typo on my part.
Yeah, I'll have to get that edited.
So did you see that
I did.
behind me? Yeah.
Yeah. Way to go, Steve.
He's not rubbing it in my face.
No.
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 No, you should.
He's,
No.
actually, if you got this one, Lair, on camera, I'll show you another one. This is the brother to the one Steve got.
Oh, is this the first?
You go. Okay. Oh boy.
That's the way my wife taught me how to do it.
Just throw them right back to her so she can unhook them for you.
You want this one?
Sure.
I don't want it.
Sure.
Well, you can put it back. This is one of my favorite holes right here.